Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. It has been a while since I made a miniature showcase. So in this video I would like to show you a complete painted miniature. This will be the Thousand Suns Ahriman. So this is his 40k version. There is also a Horus Heresy or 30k version available for those of you who would like to have him in his original, let's say, original form, or before he spent his 10,000 years and searched for all the arcane books and scrolls to basically help him to restore his legion. So inside the package, I have not done an unboxing. This is my cousin's build, of course, because I do not collect heretics, and this is one of those legions. So two sprues and the manual, how to build him, nothing complicated. Let's see the graphic on the back of the box. So Ahriman is a really well-known character in the 40k setting. There are three really nice books about him. If you are interested, you can check them out at the Black Library. There are also in audiobook format. So if you like, you can choose to download, buy and download them and listen to his story. So he was favorite son of his Primarch, which was the Magnus the Red, so the greatest psyker and sorcerer ever lived. That is after the Emperor, of course. And he comes equipped with his black staff and Inferno bolt pistol. He's on a disc of Tzeentch and will be supplied on a 40mm base. So on the other hand, we receive a warp manifestation of a warp powers that he has, because he's a Arch-Sorcerer. There is his book, and the pistol is in his holster right there. Here's a really nice and ornate power pack. Let me zoom in to show you the details of his helmet. I used annealing oxide for the effect on his eyes. This is a technical color from Citadel or Games Workshop. I also used it on this eye here on the staff. And on his belt. really like this small pouch here. I don't know what kind of magic trinkets he has in there. We have the few skulls. A feather. Yeah. Okay, so the miniature itself, if you're interested, you can get it from your favorite 40 Warhammer 40k retailer, or directly on his website. On the website, it does cost for 34 euros if you are from Europe. If you are from other country, you have to choose the country to deliver to, and they will recalculate the price. But I strongly suggest check out your favorite miniature retailer, and they will probably offer you a discount on this. So on the disc we have I have painted him in the on separate. So what I usually do, I have separated his backpack and the cloak, and then of course the disc was also a separate build, and when everything was painted I have CA glued him on the disc so that I can reach all the details inside on the top part. So basically if you would build him and glued everything together, you will be not able to get there. So there is how the details are achieved. So everything is painted upside down. Even if you are using to play with this figure, you will not see those details there. But for my peace of mind, and this is how I do my things, so I would like to have it done right. So my cousin chose some really nice flowers on the base. And basically, this is Ahriman in the 40k. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes other stuff regarding my other hobbies. With that being said, I wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon.